Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you websites that are full of marketing resources. So let's get started. The first website is from Attentive and it's actually called SMS Marketing Examples We Love. Basically this is by category a lot of examples with copy that they used in their messaging or SMS messaging, or as you can see in different Instagram and Messenger and other things. You can just change the category here and get everything and also you can get their opinion why this messaging is okay. The next thing is TikTok Ads Creative Center, where you can see the best TikTok ads and best performing ads on the platform. As you know, TikTok is a big raising platform people use for ads, and those ads are pretty successful with millions of views and clicks. So if you need some kind of an inspiration, you can see a lot of industries here. For example, we can share filter by financial services or go see the ads and you just click or just hover, and those ads are pretty emotional and good. The next marketing resource website is Startup School from Y Combinator. Y Combinator is one of the biggest startups network in the world, and they have like 15 years of knowledge. They have a lot of curriculums you can use from the same people that helped Airbnb, DoorDash, Stripe, Reddit and Coinbase get started. As you can see, a lot of nice courses to get started and to go and see. This is totally free. You just sign up and you will get an 8-week online course on how you can start a startup. Or even if you're not a startup, the courses are pretty good with everything related to starting an online business. The next marketing resource website is Hugo's templates, Hugo is a meeting software as a service, but so all these templates are like meeting agendas. You can use it directly in Hugo if you want, or you can just view the template and read their review, what's the key takeaways and everything inside that template. The next marketing website resource is SEMRush Academy, which is a big collection of free online courses on digital marketing. As you can see, everything here is free. It's like a really big selection of courses on all of the marketing, content marketing, SEO, which is a search engine optimization and similar. You can even check their certification exams and get a certification, and then you can start your own, SEO agency business on Upwork as a freelancer or similar. The next marketing resource website is Really Good Emails, which you can see a lot of emails from various businesses and free email examples you can read through and see their copy, their styling and everything, so you can use something similar in your email campaigns. The next one is HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy is pretty good. It also covers similar topics like SEMRush Academy on content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, everything here. Every course here is actually a high income skill, and you can really get good money if you get a certification. All of these courses are also, you can get certified and mention that in your bio or profile or CV or whatever, and it will be recognized as quality course. Next marketing resource is podcasts. Podcasts are very popular lately, so you can explore a trending podcast or find topics. If you have your own podcasts, you can research here and see what's trending. When you click on, for example, MLB, you can see the recent podcast episodes about that topic. You can even see, Yeah, I broke it. You can even see other things around it, so it's very useful for you if you have a podcast. The next marketing resource website is called learningseo.io, which is basically a lot of tools and resources and guides for you to learn search engine optimization, which is also a big high income skill you can use to earn money online. So you can have automation and everything. It can be pretty advanced. So start from the fundamentals or start wherever you are in your search engine optimization journey. Next site I wanted to show you is Marketing Sherpa. All those sites will be linked in the description below, and I think at this point this video deserves a like. Please click it. If not, continue on watching. So Marketing Sherpa is also having a lot of free stuff where you can see research, infographics, checklists, blueprints, and everything on marketing. There's like a gazillion, is that even a word? Gazillion examples of great reports and tools and strategies, and B2B, B2C, whatever you think about in marketing, you will get on marketingsherpa.com. So go. The next site I wanted to show you is Marketing Profs. It's actually targeted to business marketing, and it's probably, as they say, the most comprehensive business-to-business marketing resource on the planet. You can search the insights, marketing research, positioning, brand consulting. You have a forum. You can register for a forum, and you even have events and everything you need for your marketing journey. So go check it out. Of course, Google have their so-called digital garage. They also have a big certification courses like Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, which is like 40 hours course and included certification. And I really suggest you go there, even if you're not a beginner. It's excellent course. You have a lot of courses on different topics, and of course, because it's coming from Google, it has really quality content here. You can get certification for some of them, as you can see, like Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. There's also other skills that you can learn on Google. Of course, the biggest marketer, in my opinion, in the world is Neil Patel, and he has an excellent blog. It's search engine optimization topic, but you can also learn a lot about social media, about video marketing and everything. He also has the all-in-one SEO tool called Ubersuggest. So if you go to his tool, it's actually free for, I think, 3 searches a day. You can do the keywords research, you can rank your content higher, and even get some excellent tips on how to improve your content on your blog. I really urge you to start a blog, because it is one of the most overpowered marketing strategy ever. So whatever you do, if you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you do, start the blog. Let your blog be the power horse of your marketing efforts. The next page is software as a service landing page examples. So if you are developing a software as a service, or you need just an inspiration for a landing page, you can have like 690 examples of landing pages on this excellent website. So go there and check it out. The SMS Marketing Statistics is one of the marketing resource website I want to show you. You can get a lot of statistics regarding SMS marketing. You can use this if you are in SMS marketing, and whenever you're writing an article or a keyword resource, you can go in here. One of the blogs I didn't mention and I really like is Adam Enfroy. Adam Enfroy is a big blogger. He has a lot of income streams, but one of the main ones is his blog. So he has an excellent blog on how to start a blog, scale your online influence, and build your personal brand. So that's it for today. If you really like this video, don't hesitate to press that like button below and subscribe to my channel, because over 90% of my channel viewers are not subscribed. So please, it would greatly help this channel grow on YouTube and make more videos like this.